Woo! Welcome to another day of live trading. We are about to hit profitability. Let's see what opportunities come at us today. Ding, ding, ding. So, Apple, I said if there's violence into this overhead 200, I could see a quick bounce, right? Back. Because it kind of has a lot of bearish momentum on that 1 hour, or bullish on the daily. I mean, shit. I don't know, but I drew it out. In the thingy before. And this one's off the 200 here. But I don't want to take it yet. Because I need this bar to close strong right here. Get a bounce back. Bounce off this. And boom. I trade it back above. Yeah, see, because it's going up into all sorts of resistance here. 15-minute as well. This is low-key a good place to short. So if this tails out, I might have to whip out a short. But if I see violence, that's a different story. Let's see what's good with everything else. UL on the 15-minute is low-key clearing though. Base into the 8. It's low-key clearing though. Let's see what's going on here. It's a pretty fat gap. AMD. Yeah, I don't really know what to do with that. I don't really want to take this short right into the 200. But 15-minute is pretty good location. This one isn't really. Is UL dropping? UL seemed like pretty good location to drop, to be honest. I want something clean though. Something that is, oh shit, Merc on the pullback, right? Daily has been going down, but you had a nice tail bar. Potential pullback day today. Oh shit, that's pretty large. You got a 180 right here, but it's kind of going into resistance. Off this rising 20, and for the first time in a minute on the 15, you got price trading above the MAs. That is kind of not a good look though. That's giving up a lot. Like a lot. Low key, if you finesse this right here, maybe it's against position, but the risk to reward is good enough so that if it does hit this back into the MAs, you're breaking even already. Maybe 1-to-1, you're already breaking even here because this is off of the 20 or 200 here. See what happens though. This isn't violence, so I don't know if it could break through. I don't really see violence there. Man, that bar looks good. Wait for it to It's right at the 20 though, so I don't know. This shit does look good though. See, it's struggling a bit. But I would want 3 lots at 30 maybe, with the stop at 102. If I do go long. But yeah, that's not strong enough. This one was pretty nice off of the 2-minute 200, but that 5-minute and 15-minute 200, no good. We'll see if this is the first color change, so it might be. This is going to be a tail bar. The higher time frames aren't aligned as well, but that is a tail bar. The 2-minute already showed a nice fat juicy bar, and then it gives a tail bar here. Shoot. A stop at 23, I'd probably want an entry at 93. I don't want to trade into the higher time frame support though. I want something clean. UL, for example. It's a pretty clean tail bar right there. 51 minus 36 is 15 cents. Right? Yeah. No. 20. Shit. Too slow. Calculations are too slow. No, that is 15 cents. Stupid ass. Entry would have been at 36 though. 100 divided by 15, what is that? Six slots at 36. Bro, I fucking missed that shit already. Fuck. That looks real good on the 15. Entry here, stop here. On the tail bar. Got -1 position right here. Oh. Square right here, potential. Pullback, drop. Oh. Okay, I like this. This is violence. First of all, you had a 180 over here, thinking it would have gone up. Same here. Actually wiped that out and printed its own color. So this whole bar is really red, if you think about it. So if it could pull back right here and then start going down, I want to enter here with a stop here. Yeah, UL, that's nice. Hitting color change over here. Fook. That's 1-to-1 already. It's 1-to-1, my brother. Fook. The Disney one looks like it's going too. Tail bar here. It's just that the UL one was cleaner, but I mean, this did set up. It's just the higher time frame support, you know. But yeah, UL is just so much cleaner. All time frames are aligned. Missed the first leg, man. I don't even know what to think of this. Oh shit, square did trigger. Off the 8, I guess. I think I might just wait on UL's pullback. This one's the cleanest one. Should have just entered, fuck. I mean, if you draw a position, boom, boom. Look at the higher time frame, bro. This shit was basing into the 8 yesterday, into the close. Shit, that's a fucking clearing bar, my guy. And price is just trading at its lows. Triggered here for 15 cents. Entry would have been at 35, 36. But didn't get it. This thing, yeah, I would say this thing got 1.5 hours already. Oh shit, it broke through. Yeah, this thing's a bit choppy. Stay away from that. Fuck. See, Disney isn't getting that clean follow through because it's seeing a bounce off of that 200. Oh shit, that's nice. That's nice, yo. That's pretty fucking nice on AMD. Boom, you get a 15-minute tailboard right off that 20. Right here, tried to break above, but staying below. Oh shit, that's pretty fucking nice. The way you fill this in is boom, gap down, opens here, pulls back to the 200. What do you get? You get a 180 over here. Yo, that's pretty fucking perfect. The next bar, what do you get? You get a tail bar. That's bearish as shit. Yo, this is bearish on AMD. Gonna look for an ad to go short. Hopefully. Yeah, I like the look on this. Oh yeah. Look at that. Right off the daily 22. Yeah, I can see this dropping to 99 or 100 at least. It's $2. Nah, cause that on UL was a bit too violent for my liking. Shit. Just about to put in a 180 on the fucking 5-minute. The risk to reward on this isn't that good though, because if you enter here, stop here. Yeah, this is your reward while your risk is that much. It's a bit skewed against you. CVX. What do I think of this? Off this 20, clearing above this. Well, I have room to move to 168, but it's right into the 1 hour 200 I guess it's, yeah, that triggered. It's a bit messy. I'd rather wait for the pullback though. So that shit may go without me. AMD, another tail bar. This shit's so fat already, man. Yeah, just waiting for a short on AMD. Square has the potential to do this. So gap down, bearish gap, base, EMA catches up, clears lower. Has potential to do that. It's gonna take a minute though. S-Bucks. Do we want to believe this tail after it pulled back like that? Is that tail believable? Is it? I don't know. Low hasn't broken, low hasn't broken, low hasn't broken, low hasn't broken. But this low might break just to come back here. Yeah, it's coming into some heavy resistance here. I don't even know. That shit low-key just triggered already. Man, I would have liked it better if it, see, this is the gap, right? I would have liked it if the 20, if it came back less violently. The 20 was down here catching it below 50%. Because this retracement is a bit high for me. It's filling in the gap. Sheesh. The CVX, bull 180 right here, good to go. Yeah, nah, I don't like this. It's fucking chilling at this support. See, it has a support here, bounced off, and here. What I would have liked to see it do was this move should have been a bit stronger and gone below. Then 20 catches up, you know, comes back, retests that support as resistance, get the color change there, and then trade it lower. Yeah, this shit is fucking crazy right here. This is kind of violent. Might look for longs now. I mean, what it did in like 10 minutes is wiped out in like 2. So yeah, we're looking for longs now. Unless this shit's just gonna chop back and forth. You know what? Yeah, I'm not gonna enter on this first leg because I don't want to get caught in this shit. Just whipping back and forth. Be picky with it. What I want to see it do is break above here. 20 catches up. I get a color change right there, and that'll be my first entry. Looks like UL didn't get followed through. S-Bucks. That's it, or did fail. I need some of these things to start trending away from all the support and resistance first. Then I could look for an entry, because see, like, cause what the fuck is that, bro? Why such a fucking violent pullback off this level of support? See, I don't want to take this because of fucking. I want a clear trend. If I get an elephant bar right here, surging off at the 200, yeah, I could potentially take it. 2 lots with the stop at 50. And so maybe when it grows to gets to the whole number 103. Is that smart though? Fuck, it's not. It's not. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the pullback. Why is it not? Bro, I'm basically entering at resistance. What normally happens at resistance is struggles. On the 5 minute. So I'm gonna wait for price to come above this. Do its thing, put in the first leg. You know, it's okay if the first leg goes without me. Ah, that looks pretty good though. That looks pretty fucking good. Okay, psych, not anymore. No, I still got one. I still got a minute to close up. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm saying I could enter at around 103 with the stop at 102.50. 2 lots. But that'd be entering right into resistance. I don't know how smart that would be. Should we go for it? It's off the 2 minute. Depends on how it closes, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna let this leg finish. Fuck it. Fuck it. It could probably go a lot without me, but yeah. At 200. But yeah, 2 lots could have been entered here with the stop here. Oh shit, so we got S-Bucks actually clearing for sure now. Got the Fab 4 here. Okay, yeah. That's good, that's good. Room to move down, room to move down. We'll look for the first ad on here. Let's see if we can take that. Low key here. Already had a hidden color change here. See if we can get a pullback on this. Whoa. This is, look at this on Disney for sure. No, price is trading off of that 20. No, this looks good. Big bounce off this. Might look for a gift play. A color change within this body. And hopefully it stays above these MAs. That'd be the best. Oh, there's a nice little pullback on CVX. It's off the 8 MA. 37-cent bar. 85. I could low-key enter at 85. Stop at 60. 4 lots. Let's just try it. I entered on the body, so that was kind of anticipatory. Not sure if it'll go, but there's the color change at the body. This wick is a bit long, so hopefully we see follow through, because if not, that'll be sad. Just inputting it into my journal right now. 166.82. $166.83. This one's a pullback color change off of the 8 of May. I think it might stop me out. Hopefully that closes a tail, man. I need price trading above 85. Or on the next bar, price needs to trade above 81. That shit damn near came out and stopped me out. Oh, what the fuck? No, because what is that? What the fuck was that? Pussy. My stop was supposed to be at 59. I fucking got filled at 45. Pussy, because what the fuck is that? Bro, I'm checking to see what the fuck the news is. Jolt's job openings. 7 a.m. it just came out. Well, what the fuck, man? Yeah. Fuck. Fuck. Jesus. I mean, I was supposed to get out at 59 below this bar. Next thing you know, a random ass bar, boom. Fucking takes me out at 45 instead. 59 minus 45, that's a fucking 14-cent difference. What the fuck? So I just got slipped 14 cents on 4 lots. That's an additional what? 14 minus 4, or 14 times 4. 56 bucks. Nah, I didn't even, bro, that, I can't even say that's my fault. I didn't even mean to. $88, entry at 89, stop at 52. 37. This is a 2-lotter right here. On a re-entry, my stop is at 50-ish, 52. Fucking nuts. Fucking nuts. Hope I'm not trading fucking news, bro. Am I trading news? 7 a.m.? How long should I wait? I'm getting fucking killed. I entered on this tail bar. Yeah, I'm really speechless about what just happened. That was pretty fucking devastating. This shit also lines up with the 5-minute off the 8 MA. That was crazy. Yeah, this must have been some type of news, but that's good because now we got momentum. I'm liking the look on Apple. Pretty strong ass rejection. Probably give myself one more trade after this. Holy shit. So the one we decided not to take was the one that went crazy. That's the one on Starbucks. We were stalking it around here. We kept waiting. Triggered here. The tail bar takeout. Get your first color change here. The rest is history. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fucking like 5 hours on that shit. What's good with this, bro? This one doesn't want to follow through all of a sudden. If this slips me again, look, this 90 minus 52, I should lose less than $100 on this. I should lose 76 bucks, 80-ish bucks. If I lose more than a fucking 100, fucking removing CVX. So what the fuck, CVX? You played my bitch ass. This isn't good, bro. Double top looking motherfucker. This puts in a 180, that's a different story. But I don't think it will. No, everything's fucking dropping now. Everything. I don't think CVX is fucking special because I think this shit will drop too. Which is bad because I'm fucking going long. That's what it did to me fucking last time too. Right? And then the very next bar, boom! Fucking slippy to shit. So this shit better go, otherwise I'm a fucking beat your fucking ass, boy. Alright, there's a lot of momentum we could play off and now. Oh fucking CVX, bro. This shit just need to do something at this point. I need to close above this. Price has not been able to close above that. Above that. It's just wicks. I need a body above it. Everything else, I'm looking for shorts. This shit is bleeding. And it's bleeding the fuck out. I have no fucking clue how fucking CVX is the only one going up. But shit, we're trading fucking price, aren't we? Might add there. Move my stop 25 cents below. $75 should be below this bar, right? Yep. The 5-minute bar. Basically added on the clearing on the 5-minute. I got 4 lots right now. Average price at 167. I got the alternate stop going under the entry bar. At 166.75. Yeah, that's 25 cents a lot. The $100 risk unit. It's valid. Do want to trade this thing up to this 200 first of all. Let's see what we got. We got 67.80 here, 68 here, 68.38. So ideally I'm looking for 68. Let's just look for a dollar move up to the whole number. I'm gonna put my stop, or I'm gonna put it at the whole number, but really once it starts trading near it, I'm gonna just move my stop to break even, because we're not losing money if it gets there. Apple's dropping pretty hard. Ooh, I might trigger again here. This bar finally closed above. This one went a bit further. Price should continue up now. I mean, I'm liking the way that this bar closed. Is about to close. Decently strong. And I think the stop is good there for now, because if the next bar wipes it out, I mean, shit makes sense. Might as well get out, because why the fuck is it erasing that much, you know? Wow. For real, getting my ass handed to me, bro. Shit's not following through. AMD is so messy. I don't even like this. Disney. I think I'm gonna stop out. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Bro, my stop is too tight. This is enough for it to nick me out and keep going. Really? No follow through? Really? That's pretty nuts. Pretty sure it slipped me again a little right there. Alright. I'm out. CVX is not giving me no follow through. Oh shit, JPM triggered. Oh shit, you out triggered. Man, I should have just fucking taken these other trades while I had the CVX trade on. This is low key a head and shoulders. Boom. You got this one trying to go higher. I mean, it did go higher. Next one should have continued if it was going to go up, but then it didn't. It's about to break that neckline. I would like to see price trading below this because that's a pretty heavy support right here. So we can trade below there. Boom, boom, boom. Gets a bit of extension, comes back, retest like this whole number. Get a color change right there. That'd be perfect. Give myself one more trade for today, then I'll call it a day. Fucking beautiful on S-Books. Right off the fab floor, the bottom. Fucking beautiful on Apple too. You got your clearing bar right here. Boom. Into this whole number 171. This bar is, I would call that exhausting. I mean, you got an exhausting bar, then you got a narrow range bar following it right after. And it is right at the 171 whole number with space away from the 20. I mean, this breaks bar by bar. I think this is going to be the pullback, which is where you should play the counter long, but I don't want to play against the trend on my last trade. Yeah, bearish, 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 bearish. Bearish, 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 bearish. Wow. Yep. There it goes. Triggering the counter long. It's doing it again here, man. Telling you, what I needed to see was for price to drop below this, break the neckline, retest while the 20 drops lower. I'm not going to take it when it's in here. When I have stocks like fucking, what is it, Merck? When I have stocks like S-Books actually trending, just need to wait for the pullback. So yeah, I'm wondering if this should have been a break-even trade or a like, because this was technically the second leg, and I'm entering over here. That's barely a new high. Fucking, but I could have tightened, and if it went, it went. If it didn't, I don't lose money, but I lost money. It's not the end of the world, but this shit looks like it's gonna go up now, but not for this 5 minute, 20. But this shit's messy. I'm gonna trade the cleaner charts. Merck, wait for a short. S-Bucks, wait for a short. Apple, wait for a short. And AMD, if it does what I want it to do, boom, break below this, and then come back and retest. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to wait for the cleaner entries here. I mean, this counter long didn't even fail yet. You enter here with a stop here. 1, 2. You got like 3 hours into the whole number, boy. So we got a red bar reversal in formation here. Oh, it's triggering, it's triggering. We're gonna go 4 lots there. Triggering at 58, and our stop is gonna be at 80. Let's see. Our stop's gonna be above this red bar reversal.
Yo, what's good, chat?
Who the? Get out of here, bro. Guys.
Guess who's back, bro?
Shit about to stop us out. I don't know if we're gonna get lucky here. Maybe, but shit. Deadass came 1 cent within stopping us. Bro, why does this guy keep coming, bro? Making weird ass noises too, bro. We might get lucky, but this shit is already breaching the 20. Just gonna hold the stop there and let it do its thing. Bro, this guy kept tapping me, and then I looked to the side and he did some freaky ass shit, bro. Yo, let go now. No way. No, did you get stopped out yet? Wow. What's that one song? We up all night to get lucky. We up all night to get lucky. Let's see if we lucky. We're not getting lucky. It just came back to retest the 20 on top. This thing's gonna follow through. Oh, it's gonna kill me. Whatever. That's why we have a stop. Good risk management. Don't think about it taking an L. Think about it like, shit, my risk management is good as fuck. And look, my risk management is about to be good as fuck. I mean, come on, that's a tail. I mean, shit, if shit wanted to work, it would have worked by now. Yeah. RIP. I do want to take a last trade on AMD because fuck. I like the look of this guy. We just stopped out. You don't follow through, man. Well, Merck's pullback. Merck's pullback also pulled back pretty far. Seems like the 3 minute has a chance. Right here, right here, right here. This guy's getting lit in the other room, bro. Looks like the 2 minute wasn't the one to respect. This could be really clean off this 3 minute. But the 5 minute 8 kind of broke already. Yeah, it is pretty nice. See the head and shoulders in there? Head and shoulders just basically means the uptrend failed to materialize. And it actually fell short and made a lower high. And now price is breaking below. So you could see a big drop. Here you get a nice fat bar. Here's your green bar ignored. You could enter there with a stop here, but I don't really like those trades. So it looks like Apple. Nah, see, because the pullback wasn't even. Pullback was nice. Stayed below 50% on Apple. But the 2 minute was messy. That's why when you zoom out a little, the 3 minute, this is pretty clean. But I want something cleaner. I think AMD is going to be it. Look at Merck. This thing might trigger a short. This is like a 10-cent bar. Could put 5 lots on that. Stop at 40. Stop at 56. Entry at 46. Ah, that shit triggered already. Fuck. It triggered here. Your stops over the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. Yo, get out, bro.
Oh, yeah.
You see, because this one did trigger, but what else can I say? That shit triggered pretty nicely. I have about 60 cents, $60 left to risk. This bar was a 10-cent bar. Entry at 46, stop at 56. 10-cent risk, 6 slots on that. Would have already made an R right there. For sure. What else can I say? That shit triggered clean. Boom, boom, boom. Low got taken out. I'm gonna wait for a pullback on AMD. And that's the one that's actually starting to ignite now. Merc, well, I missed my chance, brother. But that shit's clean. And if this bar closes like that, yeah, very high chances of falling through. Damn. I mean, I guess another way you could have played it was just enter on the breakout. Yeah, I could say this time around, these little GBIs were profitable. I mean, it's 27-cent bar. Just round that up to 30. 3 lots on that. From 101.30, this is already at 130. Not yet, but almost a quick 300 there. So this is Apple on the 2-minute. I entered here. It is messy, but if you zoom out, this thing still has a chance. It's basing now, it hasn't even, like, what you call it, violated 50%. You got 20 coming down. It looks like it's about to clear right now, in fact, on this bar. This shit's still going down. I like the look of AMD though. It just might take a minute to pull back. Merc. Okay, so I missed the initial entry on Merc. But if this gives me a tail right here, I'll take it. S-Book's also off of this. Boom, base into the 20. Yeah, it's a pretty nice tail. Entry 50 minus 35, 15-cent bar. 15-cent bar. Could be a 4-lotter for me. At 34. See the triggers. I need 34. This big bar, did it get taken out yet? 48. Let's get 49. Not quite. Just waiting. I mean, it's a waiting game. If it takes out 49, if it prints 49 though, I'll probably disregard this trade. Because I'd rather it trigger first before taking out the high. 48. Okay, that's violated it. On to the next. SBucks is right there, but it had a pretty steep drop. I honestly want to pull back on AMD because that shit's the one that's trending the most. You got Apple over here too. AMD, Apple, Merck. Fucking AMD, bro. You know what? I like this is coming to 100 right here, and that's a pretty whole number. So let me see. It's not really extended away though. This shit's pretty parallel, if you ask me. I like it to go ooh, and go out. Boom. But shit's kind of grinding, to be honest. Is there potential Apple short here? If this tails out right now, that'd be a very nice look. Entry would be at 43. 71 minus 43, what is that? 28. I could put 2 lots on that. Two lots at 43. Let's see if we get it. Just enter now. Have a stop on top of that. $71. Nice little tail bar. Hopefully next bar could break below these lows right here. I think I fucked up. Entered too early again. This is a confirmation bar. I should have waited for confirmation. 39 triggers at 38. Never triggered. It's actually just going up. Yeah, I should have just waited for the AMD. I think I wasted my last $60 on that trade. Unless it goes. And I hope it goes. It could trigger under at 38. AMD starting its pullback from 100. This looks like 100. Yeah. This is off that whole number right there. As I said before. Quick pullback. Should have just waited for the pullback on AMD to take this short. Fucking Apple was too early. don't know what to do, man. A hooking 8 over here. Yeah, I probably should have just waited for this guy. This thing doesn't go now, I think it's probably going to stop me out. Enter too early. Yeah. There's a stop out. That's pretty unfucking fortunate. Getting no follow through today. But to be honest, man, I probably shouldn't have taken that trade. Shit didn't trigger, bruh. Boom, boom. 39. The next bar didn't even trade lower. Some fall. Pause the recording and I'm gonna come back when AMD does trigger because that thing actually has momentum and I think that thing could go. So be back, let this thing work. Look at everything else right now. Apple getting messy now. BABA flat, CVX flat, Disney's actually working. JPM flat, Merck flat, S-Books flat, Square, UL, but the two that are working are Disney and Apple or AMD. So just wait for the pullback because 50% of this is perfect. Around the 101 whole number is probably where I want to see a short to trigger. Yeah, I should have just waited, to be honest. And this time, this one actually went. You know, this one's nice. You know why? Because this bar was actually, you could tell, obviously that's igniting. Next bar, pause, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 R's to the bottom. That was nice. Yeah, I just wasted the last $60 I had entering anticipation on this when it never triggered. That's what I get for being impatient. Now I can't trade. But I'm gonna pause the video because I'm gonna come back and show y'all that this probably will trigger. Because this leg is so solid and I'm just expecting more follow through after this pullback. So we got a pullback right there. This has enough space to double dip, to be honest. Didn't trigger, didn't trigger, didn't trigger, didn't trigger. This one did right here. I don't know if that's off the 8. I don't think so. It probably broke the 8 already. Yeah. But it is on the 5-minute 8, which might trigger at 40 right here. But I just think this thing could double dip. It triggered here. Put your stop over the top right there. You may be fucked when you find out that this is going to pull back to the 20. But who knows? We'll see. Ooh. Yeah. Like I said, the 101 whole number. This one, if this one triggers, that would be pretty nice too. Off this AMA at 44. That might be the real trigger right there. Okay. Got a 2-minute trigger. There's a 2-minute trigger. 3-minute. It did. Still has a bit of space, but it. No, not yet, not yet. Under this bar. Here's a trigger. And this should follow through off the 8 as well. Got a tail bar right here. Still has maybe 2 bars in there to fill up, but yeah, it could still trigger right now. So this triggers under this low, it's going to be at 47. Probably want your stop above these bars. Okay, it's right on it right now. Pretty much on it. This one will trigger at, so remember it triggered here first, but that shit probably took your ass out. And now let's see where it triggers. 54. Let's see if this one gets 54. So I'll end this video when it either triggers or breaks the 20, which kind of looks like it might break the 20. Disney got a pretty nice grind down. UL did trigger, but it's stopping out now. CVX starting to go down. So if this one tails out, it'll trigger at 55 with the stop at 86, 31 cents. That would be a 3-lotter. So here it goes tailing out. The stop is at 86. Entries at 53. 86 minus 53, that's perfect 30 cents right there. Or 33 cents. 33 cents, yeah, that's a 3-lotter right there. So this thing did trigger pretty beautifully. But we don't remember we freaking wasted our last trade on Apple on this one, entered on anticipation of it too early. Now let's see if this thing follows through. So we got an entry here at 30 or 53. And we got a stop here at 86. And typically you want to wait for the new low, so let's see. Pretty solid follow through so far. Let's see if the bar closes strong. Update y'all if we get a new high or a new low or it stops out. Just pretend like a mock trade because I can't actually take it, but you know, just might as well practice while we're here. Even though we're not making money, but it's okay. It's all good. So didn't get followed through yet. Shit's just not as clean. It low-key might get sloppy on this 3-minute. It's already going a bit sideways on the 5. But I can see how this might look good on the 15 in a bit. Because, I mean, just, bitch, get the fuck out of my face. Boom. You got that 8 coming down. Price is just, you know, resting. Pulling back, getting a pause in, so in the next couple minutes or so, could potentially get up on this 8 MA and then drop all the way to this 20 or 200, I mean. Or it might drop now, we'll see. But so far, nothing too crazy. This CVX, it did change trends a bit, right? Boom, broke below. Got a level of support right here. Broke below. 20's caught up. Came back, retested that level. Also off the 5-minute 8 looks pretty good. With room to move below the 20. Room to move all the way down to this 200. Disney, yo, this thing is grinding. JPM sideways, Merck. So Merck, remember we were gonna take this one. Didn't follow through, but overall it's going down. If you remove the 8 here, get rid of the noise. It's a nice little trigger here. Based out a bit. Could have gotten an ad here. S books. Looks like it did drift to the 20. Triggered. Square. UL. Yeah. AMD never came back to retest. It never did. That would have been great. And then the drop. But still, if I didn't take that one Apple trade over here, because it never triggered at 30, it would have triggered at 38, but we never got 38. Then I would have been able to put 2 lots on this guy. But no chance, because we already wasted that bullet. Triggered, didn't really follow through yet. Came back, and it might move now for real. CVX. About to trigger another one right here. That Disney just grinding down. Merck. Will it hold the 3-minute here? Maybe. AMD, man, it's not following through as clean. It might do what I said before. Let the AMD catch up. Base out. Drop. Meta. Got some nice follow through here. Saw my brother trading this. Basing out. Into a lot of resistance overhead, but it is following through now. So, boom. Wait for the catch and you get some ads. Ride it up to this 200. This 200. If it's able to break through this 200 right now. A super nice short right here. That shit was crispy. That shit was for real crispy. I mean, that's a solid leg down. Boom. Another color change. Shit was crispy. This is probably off the 8 right here. Let's see. Indeed. Boom. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Taking it now. And yeah, thank you guys.